Okay, the first name is Ahna, right? A, right? So Ahna will start. So Ahna will start with the first Subhashidam that we learn, which is that
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Excellent. Okay, so let's now clap for Ahna. Okay, so she started off our game today. So let's clap for Ahna. Excellent. Okay. So the next one is on Goddess Saraswati, right?
Yes.
Okay. So who knows that? Raise your hand. Okay. Shreya knows it. Tanya knows it. Nikhil knows it. Shyamala, Navya knows it. Prithvi also knows it. I know that. Prithvi knows it. Okay. So let's again take the alphabetical order then. So after Ahna comes A, L, M, N, O, P, N. Okay. So we will give this chance to Nikhil. Okay. Tanya, I know that you raised hand first, but we will give a chance to Nikhil as per the order, and then I'll come to you. So Nikhil will do the next Subhashidam, which is the next one.
Namami Sharadam Devim Vidyarambhe Sumangalam Narastasya Prasadena Pandityam Labhate Sadha.
Excellent. Wow, very nice. Okay, so now we will start the game. Okay, so let's see which is the third line in the Subhashidam. Can anybody say the third line? Tanya, tell me, which is the third line of Subhashidam?
Vidyarambe sumangalam narastasya prasadena.
Who said that?
Tanya.
Tanya, excellent. So the letter Na comes as the first letter in the third line, right? Narastasya prasadena. Na. Okay. So with Na, have we learned the Subhashidam? The letter Na, ne, no, now. Have we learned the Subhashidam?
Sir, to whom are you asking? Yes, sir.
Anybody I can raise hand? You raise hand, I will choose the. Tanya knows it. Fine, okay. So tell me, Tanya, which is the Subhashidam? Other than Namaste Sharada Devi. Okay. Namami Sharada Devi.
नाभिषेको न संस्कारः सिंहस्य क्रियते वने विक्रमार्जित सत्त्वस्य स्वयमेव मृगेन्द्रता.
Beautiful, excellent. So let's clap for Tanya. So which is the third line in this? And you should tell the letter also. Which is the third line in this in the first letter?
विक्रमार्जित सत्त्वस्य व.
Oh, yeah. So the letter is V. Who knows a Subhashidam with the letter V? Shreya?
One Subhashitam.
Wait. I will call out the name. 1 minute. I can't see Navya for some reason. I can't see whether she's raising her hand or not. Just a minute. There is some reason because of which I can't see Navya. Okay. If she's not in the frame, actually, I don't know what's the reason. Hold on. I'll just check. Okay. So who knows Subhashidam with letter V? You just know there is a raise hand option there, Navya. For you, there's a raise hand option there. So you can click that button. Okay. In case I'm not able to see you. I'm not able to see you in the frame for some reason. Okay. Okay. So who knows Subhashidam with the letter V now? Letter Va. Okay. Tanya, I'll give you a chance later on. Okay. Shreya knows with letter Va.
Sir, I forgot the last line.
Which is the Subhashidam you tell?
Videsheshu dhanam vidya. Vyasaneshu dhanam.
Vidya. Okay. But it's a good guess. So it's very, very, very good. So who will do the Subhashidam Videsheshu dhanam vidya? Who knows that? Okay. Let's go to Prithvi. Okay. Ahna, I'll come to you. Let us go to Prithvi. Okay. So Prithvi, you say
विदेशेषु धनं विद्या व्यसनेषु धनं मतिः परलोके धनं धर्मः शीलं सर्वत्र वै धनम्.
Okay. Prithvi, what does this mean? Videsheshu dhanam vidya vyasaneshu dhanam madihi. What does it mean?
Knowledge is wealth.
Okay. What else did you learn from that, Subhash? No, Videsheshu dhanam vidya vyasaneshu dhanam matihi. What is the third line? Paraloke dhanam dharmaha Sheelam sarvatra vaidhanam. Right? What does it mean? Videsheshu dhanam vidya. Which means if you have knowledge, you are valuable everywhere, right? You can get work in any country that you go. Vyasaneshu dhanam matihi. When you are in difficult times, your own buddhi. Matihi means your own buddhi will help you. Paraloke dhanam dharmaha. Because we are all from the Hinduism. We are all followers of Sanatana Dharma, right? Prithvi. So we all believe in birth and rebirth, right? We are all born. We are all here on this earth for so many number of years. And then we pass on and then we are born and reborn and born and reborn. So your next birth will be decided based on what all good karmas you do. All the dharmic things that you do in this life. Hello, Prithvi.
Yes.
So that is what the last line means. Paraloke dhanam dharma. Good things that you do, that will take you to the next level in your birth and rebirth cycle. Excellent. So what is the third line, the first alphabet in this? Third line, first alphabet in the you only tell that. Vyasaneshu dhanam mati. Va, right?
Yes. Va.
Va. Who knows the Subhashidam with the letter Va? Shreya?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. No problem. Don't know. I'll tell you. I'll give you one that you know. What about Navya? Navya knows Subhashidam with the letter Va.
Mr. Prasad, it will be P. Pa, pa, pa.
Oh, sorry. Either Videsheshu dhanam vidya, Vyasaneshu dhanam. Paraloke. Shamyatam. Oh, Shamyatam. I'm sorry. It is not Va. It is Pa. Sorry, sir. Okay. Pa. Paraloke dhanam dharma. So Pa. So which is the Subhashidam with the letter Pa? Shreya knows it. Who knows? Navya knows Pa. I can't see you, Navya. If you know, you can sing now.
No, I don't know, sir.
You don't. No problem. No problem. Okay. Then who else? Okay. Let us go to Tanya now. Okay. So Tanya, you will sing a Subhashidam with starting letter. Okay. Pa. Yeah.
Sir,
start.
can we say Vidya?
Pardon me?
Sir, can we say Pradame Vidya?
That is fine. That's fine. Pradame Vidya is fine. Because it is also Pa, Pra, Po, Pa. That's fine. Any of the forms of Pa is okay. Yeah. Pradame Vidya. That is fine.
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. No problem. I think that is above 50th Subhashidam, right? Pradame one is after 50. Pradame Narjida Vidya, Dvitiye Narjida Dhanam, that is after 50. Not a problem. If anybody knows it, they can do that. Otherwise, I can see Ahna has been impatiently raising her hand. So let's give a chance to Ahna now. Ahna.
Sir, it starts with Pro. Start with Pro.
No problem. That is fine. Which one is that?
It's the Subhashitam 19.
Fine. So tell me which one is that. I don't know what is 19.
Prithviyam Trini Ratnani Jalamannam Subhashitam Mudhai Pashan Khandeshu Ratna Saunya Vidhiyate.
What is the meaning of this asana? Tell me that.
I don't know, but I only know the first letter. I know the meaning of the first letter of the Sushita.
What is the meaning of the first letter? You tell me.
Prithviyantri means earth.
Excellent. I think our friend Prithvi knows the meaning of the Subhashita. So Prithvi, tell me the meaning of Subhashita.
There are three Ratnas. Jalam means water, Annam means food, and good sayings. But foolish people think that the gems are diamonds, etc.
Excellent. Foolish people think stones are diamonds, right? Whereas intelligent people, and you're all intelligent children. That's why you're learning Subhashitams at an early age in your life. Okay? So there are three Ratnas, three diamonds. So Prithviyam Trini Ratnani, Jalam Annam Subhashitam, Mudhai Pashana Khandeshu. So the letter is, what is the letter? The third line, first letter. Mudhai.
Ma. Mudhai.
Right.
Ma.
So ma. So with ma, who knows the Subhashitam here with ma?
I know one.
Excellent. Okay, fine. So Navya, tell the Subhashitam that starts with ma.
Mata Shatru Pita Vairi Yena Balo Na Patitaha Na Shobhate Sabha Madhye Hamsa Madhye Bako Yatha.
What does it mean? Mata Shatru Pita Vairi Yena Balo Na Patitaha.
Sir, I don't know the full meaning. I know the first line meaning. That if a mother doesn't teach a child, then the child will not get some vidya and all. And if father also doesn't teach child some things, the child also doesn't get vidya.
Okay. Who can explain the Subhashitam meaning properly? Who knows it? Okay, fine. Let me give a chance to our friend Ahna. Tanya, I'll come to you. Okay, Ahna, you tell me what is the meaning of Subhashitam?
If the mother and father of a child are enemies, if the child doesn't get proper education,
Excellent. Continue.
I forgot the last line of the meaning.
Okay, no problem. But you said half of it. Excellent. So our friend Tanya is ready. So Tanya will continue the meaning of Subhash. Yeah, tell me, Tanya.
Mata Shatru Pita Vairi means this whole slok's meaning is that if the mother and father, the parents of the child, does not give vidya to the child, they are their enemies. And if the child goes in between everyone, no one will give respect to him. Like a hunts in between a duck.
Okay, what is Hams and Buck?
Hums is a swan and buck is a swan and Hans is a what do we tell?
Okay, there is crane. Yeah, Baka is a crane. Okay, Hamsa Madhyo. Hams is a swan and Baka is a crane in English. Kokka in Malayalam. Baka means it's crane. Okay, so
Is it crane?
Pardon me?
Crane?
Crane, yeah.
Hans
Um,
means crane.
Yeah. So that is what it means. You will stand out. The meaning of that is if a boy or a man who doesn't know anything goes in front of amidst panditas, scholars, if he doesn't have knowledge, he will stand out, right? Okay, so that is what it means. So excellent effort by all of you. So what does this Subhashitam? What is the third kind of Subhashitam? And what is the first letter? Who will say that? Yeah, Tanya, tell me the third line,
No.
first letter.
No.
Ta.
No.
How did it?
Na. N-A.
Mata Shatru Pita Vairi Yena Balona Patitha. Na Shobhate. So na is the letter. Okay. Na, right?
Yes, sir.
So with na, who knows a Subhashitam here? Let us give a chance to our little friend Shreya. She has not sung a Subhashitam till now. So let us give a chance to her. Na. With na, which Subhashitam do you know, Shreya?
Sir, the Namami Sharadam Devi.
Namami Sharadam Devi. Oh, excellent. Yeah, no problem. You sing it.
Namami Sharadam Devim Vidyarambe Sumangalam Narastasyaha Prasadena Pandityam Labhate Sada.
Beautiful. Very nice. Okay. Who knows another Subhashitam with the letter Na now? Okay. Let us give a chance to our friend Nikhil here. Okay. So Nikhil, can you tell us Subhashitam? Chant Subhashitam
Yes.
with the letter Na.
नमन्ति फलिनो वृक्षाः नमन्ति गुणिनो जनाः शुष्कवृक्षाश्च मूर्खाश्च न नमन्ति कदाचन.
What does this mean, Nikhil? Namanti bhalino vrikshaha. What does it mean?
This means that good people give respect to others, whereas bad people do not give respect to others. So we consider bad people as dry wood, and we consider good people as good wood.
Okay, it is a little different from what you said. So I think Tanya has got a better meaning, I think, right? Tanya, what does it mean?
It means
What is
that a vriksha, if it has a lot of a light vriksha, if it has a tree, if it has a lot of fruits, then it bends down. It means it curves down. So like that, good peoples also bend down and do like namaste. And sukha vriksh murkhascha means dry wood. If dry tree is there, it does not bend, and like that a fool never does like that, never gives respect.
excellent? Ishtavrikshascha murkhascha, which means a foolish man will not be humbled because he is anyway arrogant. He is foolish, right? Similarly, a tree without fruits also will not bend. They are not humble, right? Na namanti kadachana. They will never bend because they think they are great, but there is no fruit and they have no knowledge, so they are not humble. But there is a humble person and a tree bearing fruits will always be humble, right? Excellent. So thank you, Nikhil. Dhanyavadaha, Nikhil, and Dhanyavadaha, Tanya. Okay. So which is the third line and first letter?
Shushka vrikshascha murkhascha.
Yeah. So Sha is a letter, right?
Sure.
Which Sha, which Subhashitam does anybody know? Okay. Tanya, hold. Tanya has made a So which Subhashitam number is that, Tanya?
Sir, it is 9th.
So you have made a map of which letter and which Subhashitam. Excellent. We'll go to somebody else. Let us see. Shreya knows the Subhashitam with letter Shra. So I want to give Shreya a chance. Shreya.
Sir, Shaile Shaile Namanikyam. Shaile Shaile Namanikyam. Mauktikyam na gaje gaje. Sadhavo nahi sarvatra. Chandanam na vane vane.
What is the meaning of the Shreya? Shaile Shaile Namanikyam. Mauktikam na vane vane. What is the meaning of the Subhashitam?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't. No problem. You are only 3rd standard. But you learned Subhashitam. Who knows the meaning? Our friend Akhna knows the meaning. Okay. Akhna, tell me the meaning.
The gems are not found in all mountains. We will not get wood from all trees. The philanthropists are not very common. Sandalwood is not very common. The good things are uncommon.
Okay. Good. Sadhavo nahi sarvatra. So, Shaile na manikyam. Mauktikam na vane vane. So it means very, very rare things are very rare to find, right? Similar.
Sir, you told Mauktikam na vane vane. It's actually Mauktikam na gaje gaje.
Mauktikam na gaje gaje. Yeah. Mauktikam na gaje gaje. That's right. Okay. So very rare things are very uncommon. Similarly, good people, sadhavo nahi sarvatra, chandanam na vane vane. Chandanam na, I think somebody, that's okay. Chandanam na vane vane. In forest, every forest does not have chandanam, right? Chandanam means sandalwood. It's also very rare to find. You will see a lot of other trees, but sandalwood is uncommon. Okay. But very, very, very nicely said, Akhna. Okay, so which is the 3rd line, first letter in the Subhashitam?
So, Sadhavo nahi sarvatra.
Sadhavo nahi sarvatra, mauktikam na vane vane. So 3rd line is Sadhavo nahi sarvatra. Correct? Sorry, 1 minute. What is Subhashitam? Shaile Shaile Namanikyam, Mauktikam na vane vane gaje gaje. Sadhavo nahi sarvatra. So it is Sa. Okay? The letter Sa. So which is the Subhashitam with the letter Sa that we have learned? There is the Subhashitam with letter Sa that we have learned, right? It is that.
Namastubyam varade kamarubini vidyarambam karishyami siddhe bhavatu me sada.
That is excellent. Okay. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. That is not part of our Subhashitam, but you know it, right? Excellent. If you know something like that, you can say that also. Okay, not that is also correct only. But any other Subhashitam have we learned with the letter Sa? Nikhil knows it. Okay. So Nikhil, tell me the Subhashitam with the letter Sa.
Sukarti chet tyajet vidya, vidyarthi chet tyajet sukam. Sukarthina kuto vidya, kuto vidyarthina sukam.
Okay, the small mistake that Nikhil has made. So let us give first a round of applause for Nikhil. But there's a small mistake Nikhil has made. So who can sing the Subhashitam correctly now? Okay, Tanya.
सुखार्थी चेत्यजेत् विद्यां विद्यार्थी चेत्यजेत् सुखं सुखार्थिनः कुतो विद्या कुतो विद्यार्थिनः सुखम्.
Now you should explain the meaning also of the Subhashitam. What does it mean? Nikhil, first chance. What does it mean, Nikhil?
The people who want to gain comfort can never gain knowledge, and the people who want to gain knowledge can never gain comfort.
Okay. And for a person who is only wanting comfort, he can never acquire knowledge. And somebody who is always, if you want to be a good student, if you want to be a good Vidyarthi, you have to sacrifice comfort. That is what it means. Knowledge can be acquired only through hard work, dedication, patience, perseverance, right? You need to get up early in the morning, study, sleep early at night, get up early in the morning, revise your lessons. Only then you will get good marks in the class, right? If you want to sleep till late in the morning and go for the examination, you will get this marks, right? Okay, fine. So let us give a good clap to Navya also for saying Saraswati Namastubhyam Bharade Kamaru. Because at the right time, she used the letter Sa and did a Subhashitam. And then Dhanyavadaha to Nikhil and to Tanya. Wow, Tanya is using very modern techniques for clapping. I think her dad is teaching it, I think. Excellent. Okay, fine. So let us take Subhashitam that Nikhil chanted right now, and take the first letter of the third line, which is that.
So.
Again, Sa has come. So now we have a problem. Now we have a problem. So who knows a Subhashitam with letter Sa now? Who knows the letter with Subhashitam?
Chetyajet vidya vidyarthi jetyajet sukham sukhartina kuto vidya kuto vidyarthina sukham.
But that is what Nikhil said now, right? Nikhil chanted the same thing. Now we have to find a new Subhashitam now. That is already, the chance is already given for that Subhashitam. Now we have to find a new Subhashitam, which is that we have learned to think, which is the Subhashitam, the new one. I think yesterday, we learned that. It is not in today's syllabus, but.
Sir, you said that only 11 to 50 Subhashitam we have to learn.
Okay, no problem. So, if you don't know that, no problem. I just said we have learned Subhashitams with Sa. I think yesterday I taught you that. Not a problem. If you don't know, no problem. There is a Subhashitam, right? Sarvam Paravasham Dukkham. Who knows that? Okay, our friend Tanya knows it. So Tanya chant Subhashitam.
I do not know that, but I wanted to tell you told that we can tell any mantra that we know like this. So can I tell from Bhagavad Gita?
Yeah, okay. So which is that line from Bhagavad Gita that you know?
Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishto matah smritir jnanam apohanam cha vedescha sarve rahameva vedo vedanta krit veda videva chadhyam.
Which chapter of Bhagavad Gita is this, Tanya?
15th.
Okay, today you had a Bhagavad Gita examination, right? Yesterday.
No, we can do we can do today. Actually, it was yesterday, but if they are not prepared, then we can do it 20th.
Okay. So were you prepared or you did not prepare?
I was prepared, but not that much as half. The
Okay.
meanings was not yet prepared.
Okay, but very nice of Tanya to say Bhagavad Gita shloka. But again, we will come back to what we learned. So there are two Subhashitam that I taught with letter Sa. Which one is that? I taught two. One is Sad Bistulilaya Proptam. Does anybody know that? Okay, there is one more that I taught. That is yes. Sarvam Paravasham Dukkham. Sarvam Atmavasham.
First
Who
line
knows that?
only. Paravasham dukkam.
Okay, that I already told that, Navya. You should now say second line. Okay.
Sarvam paravasham dukkam sarvamatam saram.
Okay, so that's Subhashitam. We have to learn it. Anyway, it is after 50, but I have taught Subhashitams with letter Sa. But now we will, after some time, we will play the game with maybe 75 or 100 Subhashitams. At that time, we will chant. Okay, so let us not take the, let us take the letter Va from the shloka that Tanya said. I think the third line, first letter was Va in the shloka, right, Tanya?
Sir, I have to tell it again to remember.
Va.
So with Va, it's okay. So with Va, let Prithvi say Subhashitam. Prithvi.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvadam.
But with the letter Va, we have learned more Subhashitams, right? So who will say a Subhashitam, a new one with the letter Va? Shreya? Ahna, I think, knows one Subhashitam with the letter. So Ahna, tell us the Subhashitam with the letter Va, alphabet Va.
Videsheషu dhanam vidya vasaneshu dhanam mati paraloke dhanam dharma sheelam sarvatra vaidhanam.
But Ahna, this Subhashitam, we already said it here once, right? So you have to tell a new Subhashitam now with the letter Va. I think our friend Tanya knows the Subhashitam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Vinashilena vanita Vagmita Vidyaya Vina Vinayena Vina Vittam Mastu Kasyapi Dehina. Sorry, Kasyapi Dehina.
Vinayena Vina Vittam. Okay. So there is no, it is about without humility and having money. It is not a good thing. Vinayena Vina Vittam. Vittam means money. Vinayena means humility. So again, letter Va has come. So who will now tell Subhashitam with the letter Va again? Okay, Nikhil.
Vidvatvam cha nipatvam cha naiva tulye cha karmanah.
Naiva tulye kadachana. What is the third line?
Swadeshe pujyate raja vidwan sarvatra pujyate.
Excellent. What does it mean, Nikhil?
That means knowledge and ruling cannot be compared. In a person who knows knowledge is always given respect, whereas a king is given respect only in his country where he's ruling.
Okay, so tell the Subhashitam and the third line, first letter is which one? Who knows the third line, first letter?
So,
Sir. Okay, so who knows Subhashitam with the letter Sir now? Sir, I think is beyond. We have not learned many Subhashitams with letter Sir. So now let me give a letter because I think Sir, we don't have many Subhashitams in our
सहस्रेषु च पंडितः वक्ता दशसहस्रेषु दाता भवति वानवा.
Which is the Subhashitam? Tell me.
शतेषु जायते शूरः सहस्रेषु च पंडितः वक्ता दशसहस्रेषु दाता भवति वानवा.
Okay. It is not. Yeah, it is Sha. You have said Shateshu Jayate Shura. I asked the letter Sa, but not a problem. Not a problem. Sha is also fine for the purpose of continuing the game. So, Shateshu Jayate Shura, Sahasreshu Cha Panditaha, Vakta Dasha Sahasreshu, Data Bhavati Va Nava. What does it mean, Navya? You want to come here? Yeah. What does it mean, Navya? Or anybody knows the meaning of Subhashitam?
I don't know the meaning.
Forgot the meaning. No problem. No problem. Anybody knows the meaning? Can anybody guess? I'll tell some words. Shata. Shata means what? Shata means 100. Shuraha means what? Shuraha. Anybody can say. Shuraha means what? Who's the Shuraha? A very, very brave person. Okay? Brave person. Shateshu Jayate. A brave person is born among 100 people. Sahasreshu cha Panditaha. A very, very. What does it mean?
Pandit means sage something. I know. Sage.
Knowledge.
Yeah, Panditaha means scholar, a very, very learned person. So among 100 people, you will find a very brave person. Among 1,000 people, you will find a knowledgeable person. Among 10,000 people, you will find a good speaker, a good orator. Vakta Dasha Sahasreshu. He has knowledge and he's also a good speaker. See, that is like our Prime Minister Modi ji, right? He's a fantastic speaker, right? He's a very good speaker and he has a lot of knowledge, right? So among 10,000 people, you will get a good speaker. And Data Bhavati Na Va Bhavati Va Nava. Somebody who is a Danashila person. Like in Mahabharata, we have learned about Karna, right? What is Karna famous for?
Dan.
Dan. How many Karnas are there in Mahabharata? How many Karna-like people are there in Mahabharata? One, right? One. So it is very rare to find such people who are so benevolent, who are ready to give, who are ready to donate. It's very, very, very rare to find such. You will find Panditas, scholars. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I think it's one.
Yeah, I'm not able to understand properly.
Krishna was the first son, was son of Kunti, but Kunti means kept him in a basket, and he was the son.
Karna was the first son of Kunti. He was a very benevolent person. Somebody came and asked him, he will give everything. He is very, very, very benevolent, very kind. It is very, very rare to find such kind people. Or Tanya wants to say something. What is that, Tanya? What do you want to say?
Sir, actually, when I need to tell the story about him.
You want to tell a story about him.
It's a
Excellent.
small
What
story.
is
Small story. It's a small story.
Small
I'll tell you the birth happened. How the birth happened.
Okay. How did the birth happen?
One day, Sage Durvasa, he was known for his anger. One day, he came to Kunti's house. And so Kunti, she did so much of serving that he became very happy and gave her a boon. And that boon, it was about that whoever about a mantra. If she tells this mantra to any god, anyone, any god, then she will get a son from him, from that god. So Kunti, just to try it out, she saw the sun and asked the sun for told the mantra to the sun. So the sun, who heard the mantra, he as Said Durvasa told, he gave the baby. It was a boy. So Kunti was there. She did not know anything about that. So she was too panicked. So she did one thing. She cannot do anything. So she did that. She made a basket. In that she kept she kept the karna in that, and then she let it go. And that karna who was there, he reached healthy and fit as a baby to a fisherman's house.
Okay.
A fisherman saw him, so he took him, and then his name got Karna. But how he became healthy is because the sun god gave the baby. So it was his baby also. It was his son also. So he nourished him with his rays and all. That's why he was healthy and fit.
Was it a fisherman or a washerman?
It was a
Fisherman.
charioteer who runs the chariot.
There are a lot of versions.
Okay.
I've
there
heard
are a lot
about
of-
a fisherman.
Okay, you heard about fisherman. Somebody said chariot and the washerman. That's okay. But this is the story. Excellent, excellent. Okay, yeah. So fine. Thank you, Tanya, for the nice story. And Dhanyawad to Akhna also for starting the story. So both of you together did a nice story. So now let us get to our game again. What is the first letter of the third line? Vakta Dasha Sahasreshu. Va.
Va.
Right?
And
With Va, do we know any Subhashitams? Nikhil, any Subhashitam you know? Starting with letter Va?
No, all are over.
All are over. Okay. Shreya, any Subhashitam with letter Va?
no, sir.
No. Akhna, any Subhashitam with letter Va?
No, sir. I can't. They're all finished.
All finished. Okay, no problem. Prithvi, Navya. Tell me, Navya, which is that Subhashitam with letter Va?
Sir, I don't know that Subhashitam. All the Subhashitam with Va is finished.
All Subhashitams been finished. Okay. Then let us take a new letter now. If you all of you are saying there is no Subhashitam, let us take a new letter. Let us take the letter A, and any forms of A. We have learned a lot of Subhashitams with the letter A. So now there is a challenge. The challenge is each one will say a Subhashitam with A or or anything. Okay. So first let us start with Shreya. One Subhashitam with letter A. I'll then come to Prithvi. I'll then come to Akhna. I'll then come to Navya, Nikhil, everybody. We have enough Subhashitams with letter A and A. So Shreya, which Subhashitam do you know for the letter A?
So I just remembered one, but I forgot it.
Saying this, Shreya is speaking.
Yes, sir.
I can't see a movement of your face. Okay, not a problem. Okay. Ahna. Okay. So Ahna knows, Prithvi knows, Navya knows, Nikhil knows, Tanya also knows. Shreya, you do one thing. You have to say and sing one Subhashitam. After all these Didis and Bhaiyas, they do Subhashitam. You have to chant one Subhashitam after this. Okay, Shreya? Then you will remember. No problem. Okay. So let us start with alphabetical order. Ahna first.
अलसस्य कुतो विद्या विद्यस्य कुतो धनम् अधनस्य कुतो मित्रम् अमित्रस्य कुतो सुखम्.
Amitrasya Kutasya.
Sir?
But I think this was already sung by us here, right? Shreya, Ahna.
No. Sir, I chanted that 2 times, but I didn't remember it.
Okay, no problem. Anyway, let us do a big clap to Ahna for the Subhashitam. But Ahna, you have to sing one more Subhashitam after this. Okay, with the letter A. So be ready. Now let us go to Prithvi now.
अन्नदानं महदानं विद्यादानमतः परम् अन्नेन शनिका तृप्तिः याव जीवं च विद्यया.
Prithvi, what does this mean?
This means food. When you give food, it is good. And if you give vidya means knowledge, it is better than food, because food can only give hunger for 3 means it can only stay for a little time, but vidya will help you for the whole lifetime.
Beautiful. Very, very, very nice. Dhanyavad, Prithvi. Now let us go to Navya, which is a Subhashitam that you know with the letter A.
लिस्तानि पुष्पाणि वासयन्ति करद्वयम् अहो सुमनसां प्रीतिः वामदक्षिणयोः समाः.
Who knows the meaning of the Subhashitam? Anjalistani Pushpani Vasayanti Karadvayam Aho tu manasu manasam Pritihi Vama Dakshinayo Samaha. Who knows the meaning of Subhashitam? What is Anjalistani? Does anybody know? What is that? Prithvi knows the meaning, I think. Yeah, Prithvi, what is the meaning of this?
If you keep flowers in middle of your hands, it gives fragrance to both of your hands. It gives equal fragrance to both of your hands.
Okay, then continue. That is only one half of the Subhashitam. Yeah, who wants to say the meaning?
Sir, can I leave?
You want to leave. Navya wants to leave. Okay. You can leave, Navya.
Happy Children's Day, sir.
Yeah. Our Children's Day is on Janmashtami Day. That is our Bharatiya Children's Day. Okay. That is when all the kids of us, all kids enjoy, right? Janmashtami Day. Today is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. Today is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. Our Children's Day, our Indian Children's Day is on Janmashtami. That is when the most playful of our God was born, right? So that is our Children's Day. Thank you, Navya. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavadah, sir.
Dhanyavad. Okay. Ahna, you wanted to say the meaning of Anjalistani Pushpani?
I also know half of that what Prithvi said. That only I know.
You know which half? The half that Prithvi said or the other half?
No, the half which Prithvi said. that one.
Oh, then it's a problem. Then it's a problem. Who knows the other half? Prithvi knows the other half. I know that.
I know the
Aho.
first. I forgot the second half.
Okay. Tanya knows the second half meaning. Anjalistani pushpani vasayanti karadvayam. Aho sumanasam pritihi vamadakshinayo sama. Similarly, people are also like, okay? For them, they consider everybody equal. They consider everybody equally. Good people, sajjana. What do? They are like flowers in the hand, right? They give equal fragrance to both sides. Similarly, is with good people. Okay, so this Subhashitam was with letter R. So now let's continue the game with Nikhil. Nikhil, Subhashitam with letter R.
It's is it okay?
Yeah, no problem.
अपूर्व कोऽपि कोशोऽयं विद्यते तव भारति व्ययतो वृद्धिमायाति क्षयमायाति सञ्चयात्.
It is a letter A only, right? Apurva is A only. It is not A. It is Apurva. A is correct only. Okay, fine. What does it mean? Apurva kopi koshoyam vidyate tava bharati vyayatom vrittimayati kshayamayati sanchayat. What does it mean? Does anybody know? Ahna knows? Tanya knows? You know, this knowledge is such a beautiful, very, very, very apurva. It's a very rare kind of a pocket or a purse. Koshaha means a purse. If you spend from it and if you teach others, your knowledge also will multiply. But if you don't use the knowledge and keep saving it, it will dwindle in its strength. So whatever you are learning, the Subhashitams, you also need to teach to your other friends in the class. Whenever you get an opportunity in the class, you should raise your hand and tell the teacher the Subhashitam and its meaning. So by doing that, you will also influence other children in your class to learn Subhashitam, and your memory also will get better. You will also be able to use the Subhashitam whenever you want to use it, and your knowledge will also multiply. But if you learned 100 Subhashitams sometime in the month of December, and then you save it and you don't use it, how many of you think you will be able to use it later on in life? You'll forget it, right? It will, the strength of the Subhashitam also will go. Whatever you learn, you have to multiply it. And how do you multiply it? You have to spend it. You have to spend money. You have to spend the Subhashitam, spend the knowledge, and then it will multiply. If you don't, keep it in your almara and lock it, you will forget it. Not almara, your brain. Okay, so which is the next Subhashitam? Our friend Tanya knows a lot of Subhashitams with letter R. So she's ready, she's impatiently waiting. Okay, so Tanya, which is Subhashitam with letter R?
Alalasyam brahmacharyam शीलं गुरुजनादरः स्वावलम्बोदृधाभ्यास षडेते छात्रसद्गुणाः.
Analasyam brahmacharyam. So there are 6 qualities of a student. What are the 6 qualities? Tanya, tell me.
Brahmacharya, शीलं गुरुजनादरः स्वाम. Sir, I don't know.
Sheelam Purujanadaraha Swavalambo Gridabhyasa. There are 6 qualities of a student, which is discipline, dedication, respect to teachers. No laziness. The student cannot afford to be lazy. But because if you are lazy, then you can't acquire knowledge. Dedication, learning by yourself. That is all qualities of a student. So there are 6 qualities of a student, and that is what our friend Tanya has now said. Analasyam brahmacharyam, Sheelam gurujanadaraha, Swavalambo dridabhyasana. All of practice is required. Because without practice, if you go and write your mathematics paper, how many marks will you get? Without practice, if you get, all of you, yeah, that is what. But if you practice and go, how many marks you will get? 100. Excellent. Okay, our friend Shreya has not said any Subhashanam with the letter A, so we will give her a chance. Shreya, any Subhashitam with the letter A, then I'll come for round 2 with Ahna, Prithvi, Nikhil, and Tanya. So be ready. We have so many Subhashitams with letter A that we have learned. The letter A is a very, very, very important letter in Subhashitam glossary. So we will come back again. But before that, our friend Shreya, our little friend Shreya, who's in 3rd class, she will chant one Subhashitam with letter A.
Sir,
Which
I
one?
know one.
Excellent. A and A is the same. So which one is that?
Sir, it's the 4th Subhashitam.
Okay, which one is that? Chant it now.
Ayam nijah paro veti gananalagu chetasam udara charitam nam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam.
This is the best Subhashitam. What does it mean? Ayam parove gananalaku chetasam udara charitanam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. What does it mean? Does anybody know what is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam? Okay, Prithvi, tell me. I know Prithvi knows it. What does it mean, Prithvi?
Narrow-minded people think that the whole universe are not our family, but intelligent people think that the whole universe is our family.
Udara Charitanam. So not exactly intelligent, kind people, good people. Good people are definitely intelligent also. Okay, they think the whole world is our family. They will not say, oh, this is my family, this is my house, this is all my 1 BHK, why 2 BHK? No, the whole planet is our family. Everybody is part of it, right? All of you are part of a large family. Not just my father, my sister, my brother, no. My grandmother, my ancestors, my classmates, my friends, all of us. How many of you heard Prime Minister Modi ji speaking? How many of you have heard at least one speech of Prime Minister Modi ji? Nikhil has not heard. Shreya has not heard Prime Minister Modi ji. You have not seen him also on television?
I have.
So I have
Yeah.
seen him on television.
Yeah, you must also listen to his speech.
I am also.
You have watched. Excellent. Everybody. So Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That is the way he runs the country, the whole country, irrespective of everybody, from any part of the country, any state, any religion. They are all part of our country and is the prime minister of the country. So Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. There is no discrimination between people. Everybody, whether they are from Kerala or Karnataka or Assam or West Bengal or Orissa or Gujarat, or all of them, Prime Minister runs the country is one large country, and everybody in the country is part of his family. That is the way he runs the country. Udara Charitanam tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole universe is our family, not just the country, the whole universe. And it is not just human beings also. It is the plants and the animals around us. They are also part of our family. If you go and disturb them, the snake will bite you. But if you don't, If you allow them to live in their place, they will not bite you. Ahana would have seen snakes, right? When you went to your village in Orissa, have you seen snakes? Who has seen snakes here? Wild snakes.
I have only seen one snake.
You have only seen one snake. Okay. Who has not seen a real snake? Not in the zoo, but in the village. Who has not seen a real snake? Yeah, you should tell your parents to take you to some forest and some village and actually see some snakes, not the one in a Jita Mata zoo in Bombay. You should actually go to the village and forest and actually see wild animals. They live so happily, right? They live so happily. The whole world is our family. Okay. So with A, we will end with Subhashitam with A only. We will not do any more Subhashitams. Anybody knows any more Subhashitams with letter A? Please tell that right.
I know, sir. One.
Okay. Which one is that?
Alasyam hi manusyanam sharirastho maharipuhu nastu dharmasmo bandhu kurvano navasiddhati.
Nastudyama. Okay, fine. So Alasyam hi manushyanam sharirastho maharipuhu. Who is our biggest enemy? Ahna?
Laziness.
Yeah, that is our biggest enemy. So we all will not be lazy. We will all be very disciplined. We will not be lazy. It is the biggest enemy. Okay. Anyone else with this letter A, Subhashita? New one. Our friend Tanya is raising her hand. Okay, Tanya.
Abhyasena kriya sarvaah abhyasat sakala kala abhyasat
Dhyanam unadi.
kimabhyasat dushkaram.
With practice, you can achieve anything. In English, we tell, right? Practice makes a man perfect. Okay? So, abhyasena kriya sarvaha abhyasat sakala kalaha abhyasat dhyana maunadi. What is dhyana maunadi? What is dhyana maunadi? How many of you can sit silent for 1 hour and just meditate? How many of you can do that without disturbing your parents, without making any noise, without crying, without howling, shouting? How many of you can do that? So with practice, you can be focused, you can concentrate, you can do meditation. For rishis in our stories, we would have learned it, right? They have done tapasya for years together to achieve something. And can you do tapasya for years together? You can do it for years together if you do abhyas, right? You can all do. Our rishis have done all that. Okay. Who knows another Subhashitam, new one with the letter A?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah. What is the doubt?
Sir, in the game, can we also see and tell?
In the game, can we also see and tell? Don't see and tell. No problem. We will all. It's not. There's no mark in the game, right? So don't worry. If you don't know, we will learn it together. You want to see the Subhashitam and tell. We will do another day. Okay. Today we will. Whatever your memory, only you tell right now. Okay. Next time when we play, I'll allow you to see the book and play. No problem. The whole purpose is to make you learn it. There is no mark in this. Everybody is a winner. Everybody who has participated today is a winner. Okay. So Ahana has also got a prize. Prithvi has got a prize. Navya, I think she left early. She has got a prize. Nikhil, Tanya, Shreya. Shreya is the youngest of all. She gets a special prize. She's 3rd standard, right? Ahana is which class now?
4th standard.
You are in 4th. Prithvi is in 4th, right?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, who knows the? I think Nikhil knows the Subhashitam with the letter A.
Yes. Amantramakaram nasti, nasti moolam manaushadam, ayogya purusho nasti,
Yojagastatra
durlabha.
What does it mean, Nikhil? Who knows it? Amantram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam ayogya purusho nasti, yojagastatra durlabha. It means there is no alphabet, there is no letter which is not a mantra. Every letter in our script, a, I, ka, ka, ga, 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 cha, cha, ja, cha, nya, ya, ra, la, ba. Every letter is a mantra by itself. Mantram aksharam nasti. Nasti moolam anaushadam. There is no plant. There is no root. You go to a forest, you will see thousands of trees and plants. And each plant and each root has a medicinal value. Each plant has a medicinal value. They will make medicines out of that. For cough, for illness, for headache, for all malaria, even for bigger diseases also, you can actually make Ayurveda medicines are made from plant-based. Every leaf, every plant, every root has a medicinal value. And ayogya purusho nasti. There is no man or no woman or there is not a single boy or a girl or a man or a woman who does not have some qualities. There will be some good quality. Even in Duryodhana also has got good quality. There is something that is there in Duryodhana also. Even Vibhisha, even Kumbhakarna will have some quality. But what is important is for a good leader to find out the best qualities from the best people, or find out the qualities of each of the plant, and then try to organize it. A good organizer is a good leader. A good leader is a good organizer. That is what it means. A good leader will find goodness in everything. He will organize the best people, the best plans, and he can get done anything. And who is the best organizer in the Mahabharata story? Who is the best organizer in the Mahabharata story? Lord Sri Krishna, right? He is the best organizer. So the Kauravas had a choice, either to take a big battalion of army, or take Lord Krishna. And what did Duryodhana choose?
Big
Army.
The army. And what did the Pandavas choose? Lord Krishna. Because if Lord Krishna is with you, anything is possible. So he's the best organizer.
I wanted to tell a good quality in Duryodhan.
You want to tell the good quality of Duryodhana, but before that, we will go to Nikhil. Nikhil will now say one Subhashitam. I think he has got one more Subhashitam, right? Nikhil?
Yes.
Yeah. Which one is that?
Akrodhena jayet krodham, asadhum sadhuna jayet, jayet kadariyam danena, jayet satyena chanritam.
Very, very, very nice. Akrodhena jayet krodham, asadhum sadhuna jayet, jayet kadaryam danena, jayet satyena chanritam. Tanya, you want to tell Duryodhana's qualities or you want to tell Subhashitam?
Sir, I want to tell two things.
Okay, two things. Okay.
One is about the meaning of this slok and one about Duryodhan's qualities.
Okay, one.
Duryodhan's quality one was about because he was brave. Because when Lord Krishna, after the 13 years of exile of Pandavas, when Lord Krishna came back for the kingdom and told that if you'll not give back the kingdom, a war will happen. So Duryodhan told that let it be a war. I will not stand back. I will not give the country. I'll not even give a pinch and how much our land a needle covers. So it shows that he was brave and he was not fearful of his cousins.
He has got good qualities also. And what everybody in the world has good qualities, right, Tanya?
Yes, sir.
Duryodhana has got a lot of other. Actually, it's really Suyodhana, but then we know when it's Duryodhana. He's got a lot of good qualities. And what does Subhashita mean? Akrodena jayet krodam.
Krena means anger, and means this whole slok means the first is that calmness can win over anger.
Oh.
Second is sadhana. What was that one?
Asadhum sadhuna jayet. Asadhum sadhuna jayet. Jayet kadaryam danena. Jayet.
I forgot the asadhum one, but I remember the two last.
Okay.
The last two is the Kadariya one is the that what we tell
Miserly.
Charity can win over miserliness, and then truth can win over lies.
Jayet satyena. Lies can be won over by truth. Okay. Asadhum sadhuna jayet. Asadhum sadhuna jayet means evil people can be won over by a very noble person. Sadhu is a noble person. So,
Good can win over evil.
yes, good can win over evil. Similarly, akrodhena, without anger, through your calm behavior, you can get over anger. Asadhum sadhuna jayet kadaryam danena. All this miserliness, you should actually give charity. Okay, through charity you can win over miserliness. And the fourth one is jayet satyena chamritam. Through you can win over lies through truthfulness. Okay, so with that we will end this today. It's already 6:20, so we will close for the day. And next time I'll allow you to look and say, but it will not be required. If you do 2-3 times like this, all of you will learn all the 100 Subhashitams. So by December 25th or so, how many Subhashitams will each one of you would have learned? Ahna, how many you would have learned?
80 almost.
Not 80, 100 Subhashitams. How many Prithvi you would have learned?
100.
How many Nikhil you would have learned?
100.
Tanya?
Sir, maybe 90 or 100.
No, no 90. You have to learn 100.
100.
100. Think 90, you will only learn 90. If you think 100, you will see what you believe. So what do you believe? 100 or 90?
90.
Oh, that is not good. How many Shreya will learn end of this year?
Sir, 100.
100. Excellent. Rajagopal sir, you want to come on camera and say something to these children? I think you are listening. I think I can see Rajagopal sir, but he's muted. Astu. Vayam viramamaha. We will take leave right now. Thank you very much. How many of you like this session? If I conduct one more session like this, how many of you will join?
I.
All of you.
I will join.
Okay.
Sir, but you
sir,
told that there were 17 children in total.
yeah, 17 children in total. But today some people, they fell sick. So exam days, it's like that, right? You will fall sick. Suddenly, I had a small neighbor boy, 3-year-old boy. So on a Sunday, I asked him, "Are you going to school tomorrow?" He said, "No, morning I'll fall sick." So some children fell sick. Suddenly they, no problem. So they can't fall sick every time, right? So this time I told them, okay, you fall sick. Next time again we'll see. Again, if you fall sick, I'll give you one more chance. Again, if you fall sick, I'll keep on giving chance till they become healthy, like our Karna. Okay, Dhanyavadaha. And we will all meet some other day. You learning the Subha. Today is 57th Subha, right? That is 57. But end of the year, all of you would have learned 100 Subhashitam and its meaning also. Okay. Bye bye.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you.